Joy! Surprise! Happy birthday! Remain humble, down to earth. Sobra-sobra kagid naman nga na miss ni Nini. Thank you for the friendship and more blessings to come. And ano ko bimambal ko? Basta na-miss kagid namon ni Nini. The last time nga nakita kita, that was pandemic pa sa ICC. Hindi makita ka istorya tungod nga social distancing kag nakamas. Pero we want you to know nga, I want you to know nga I love you so much. Sobra ko gid na appreciate ang friendship natin. And looking forward nga makabanding kita liwat with the girls and Enzo and Princess kag sa the rest ka mga brilliant momshies kag mga classmates ni Enzo. I love you, Tita Joy. God bless. In behalf of Andy, AJ, and Nini, happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Bing, baby girl. As if fun to call you since you were a baby. I've known you, Bing, since you were a baby. Kag ang hindi ko gidya malipatan sang gamay ka, Bing. Permi ka lang iya ginatubuan, iwit-iwit, palangga, kagidya sang iwit-iwit. Nadula lang to mga 4 years old ko na, pero ever since ang baby ka, ay grabe gidya, wala ka gidya ginahalinan sang iwit-iwit.
And I'm baby girl, so happy birthday and I hope you have the best day today and I wish you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday na! I hope you enjoy your day. God bless always.
Once again, Bing, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Joy! Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love and happiness!
Happy birthday, Cass! Naka-surprise ka nga may pa-video kami. Happy birthday, Cass! Wala pa kayo dumibi, nako. I wish you all the happiness in life. I wish you always good health. Sa inyo kay Enzo. Dumibi ko, Cass. Hindi Kasi I just want to let you know that I'm so sorry for my shortcomings. Bilang isang amiga, sorry gid kong sa mga times nga kinanglan mo, friend, wala ko. Kabalaman ko nga very strong imong support system, but gusto ko lang ipabalo sa imo nga very thankful gid ko sa inyo ni Shane, sa inyo ni Pressy. Grabe gid ang memories ta. Hindi kid mabayluhan. Na-miss nagkanamon. Miss ko na gid ang banding sa mga bata. Biskan simple lang balang of the nights kung una, sige lang kadlaw, wala lang problema. Thank you gid sa tanan-tanan Cass, kag sorry gid what sa mga times nga kinanglan mo, friend, pero nowhere to be found kami. Hindi ka man namon mahagilap, kaya pa nga nago ka sa iglo. Thank you gid ka sa, and I wish nga makita mo na ang true happiness mo. I know man nga si Enzo kag ang family mo ang true happiness mo, pero inabalang makapagpatibok ng iyong puso. Thank you gid Cass, and tani magkita na taliwat and makabanding taliwat. Sorry gid kay amo ni flawless ng skin ko subong. Wala pa ako nakagluta ha. Bye Cass, love you. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joy.
Happy birthday, Cass!
Happy birthday, Joy.
Enjoy! Joy!
Have fun.
Hi, Joy! Dugay nga wala kita nay. Pero ang birthday mo, hindi kita iya malimtan. Happy birthday! Enjoy! See you soon!
Girl, happy birthday! birthday.
Baby girl, happy birthday! Ang ganda-ganda mo!
Girl, happy birthday. Girl, sana maghaba pa ang buhay mo sa birthday mo. Basta maraming handa at pulutan. Girl, pa-invite mo daw.
Girl, happy birthday! Wow, kagigamba nga birthday mo buwas ha? Laki na no, get, no? How old are you?
Happy birthday.
Liwat ni.
Happy birthday, Joy.
Baby girl, happy birthday for tomorrow. Wish you good health. Napakabuot for me. Ganda-ganda mo, girl.
Happy birthday, Joy. Happy birthday, Joy.
Happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
We love you. We
Love
miss
you.
you.
Hi, Boo. Happy birthday. Hindi, okay si Joy, malimtan mo. With her name, Joy, she's very joyful. And those old days nga, na-remember ka sa Prosta Clinic. And kung di, nag-originate ang name nga Boo, samon nga tatlo. So, hindi ko na siya pag i-reveal for now. Pero Boo, wish ko si mo birthday is good health, more blessings to come, and then stay loving lang sa imo mga utod, and as a mom to Enzo, and wish you more birthdays to come. Stay happy. I love you, Boo. Miss you.
Hi, Merch! Carol! Happy 40th birthday. May you continue to be blessed with good health, more birthdays, and bountiful blessings. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby girl! Tambuchay, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ulaton mo dang ilipante, yung pa-deliver ko sa Pilipinas.
Ikaw, Gret, ikaw ang bang.
Happy birthday to me. Ikaw na ba?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joy. Huwag mo na naula pamahaw, ha?
Mala, what are you doing? Hey, do it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
We love you. We
Love
miss
you.
Girl, happy birthday lang galit si mo. Tani hindi ka magbago. Kag wish ko tani si mo good health. Kag madamo pa ng birthday ang mabot si mo. Kag tani magabot ang adlaw na magasinso ka. Kag magmayoy mo pa nga buwi. Happy birthday. I love you. Kagay miss you sa inyo ninso. God bless.